We're gonna do a virtual Spartan race today, right, Lukey?
No.
Virtual race.
No.
Let's see about that. So what do we gotta do? We gotta do 5K run, and then a whole bunch of other exercises. All right, we're all geared up and ready. You guys ready for the 5K? Yeah? Awesome. Let's go do it. Kaylee's gonna do the mile distance, so we're gonna first do a half-mile turnaround and come back and drop Kaylee off, right? And then we're gonna have
Mama
to.
stays with me.
Oh yeah.
I'm doing the bigger one.
All right, let's do it, guys. We lost Kaylee. Didn't make it to the end. And Mommy's just gonna go back and do the bike. So, but we're in it, right guys?
Yeah.
Let's do it. After I decided we're gonna go for the super distance. So we're going for 10K now. Right guys?
Yeah. We're trying to get home to have the Spartan Race, but we can't get it because we're trying to go on the boat without Hero.
Have Lukey say hi. Perfect.
And we're supposed to run from the rain! Now.
So Brady has decided to partake in the Spartan race. So for Daddy's last half mile, this guy's gonna crush it. Do it, Brady. Just completed my first virtual Spartan race. Here's the run. Not my fastest time for sure, but I got over 10K. And here is the obstacle time. Definitely not as hard as a regular Spartan race, but certainly was a pretty good workout.